Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share my take on the Christina's Tosi Milk Bar birthday cake. And this cake is just so awesome because it's fun and colorful at the same time. It's perfect for Easter. Alright guys, just to get started, let's add our brown sugar and white sugar into the mixing bowl, followed by our butter and shortening, and we are gonna mix this all together. So now I'm just gonna scrape down the sides of the bowl. So to this mixture, we are gonna be adding our canola oil as well as 3 eggs. Again, you're going to blend all of that together at medium-high speed. And once you have done that, we are going to add all our dry ingredients into this bowl. Last but not least, let's add the buttermilk into the mixture. Finally, to this cake mixture, I'm going to be adding my vanilla extract and of course, our sprinkles. Remember to get your baking tray ready and line it with parchment paper. And we're gonna pour our batter into this. You should probably know by now that my favorite part is adding the sprinkles. Now we are gonna be making the crumbles part. To make this, we are gonna add regular flour, baking powder, just 1 teaspoon will do, and then some salt. Oh frick! So now you have your beautiful mixture. You're gonna mix everything together. Make sure that there's no lumps. So after mixing your cookie crumble together, it should look something like that. And we are ready to line it on the baking tray. Just pour everything into it. I can smell it! The cake is ready! Yes! Oh my god, it's hot! Okay, I'm back. So to make the frosting, we are gonna prepare the cream cheese, butter and shortening, and we are gonna pour this into the mixing bowl. Next, we are gonna sieve our powdered sugar and add it into the mixing bowl. And now we are gonna mix it all together on low speed. Careful not to get the powdered sugar all over the place. And you can increase the speed right now. Now that it looks super white and fluffy, I'm gonna add my corn syrup as well as glucose, 1 tablespoon each. To this mixture, I'm going to be adding the citric acid, some salt, as well as some clear vanilla extract. Once we are done, we are going to mix it up on high again, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. They said to beat it till it's white and fluffy. I'm sure it is now. Our cookie crumble have been baking in the oven for 15 minutes and they are done. So now that we are all ready, let's stack her. I'm gonna cut out 6-inch cake out of this piece. So to create the cake soap, we are gonna take some whole milk together with some clear vanilla and set it aside. Spread it around. Because I don't have acetate, so I'm not gonna use like their method of stacking the cake. So we are going to go frosting crumbs. Get the smaller crumbs and put it in the middle. Let's be more generous with that. Cream. I'm going to remember to put my cake soak. And I'm going to put on the cream. Then our last layer. Save the best layer for this. Once it's smooth, you can add the rest of our cookie crumbs. And a whole lot of sprinkles. Hey guys, so this is the end of the video. I really hope you can try out this recipe, and happy Easter Sunday. We'll see you soon.